Good morning. One, subscribe. Two, like, share, ring the bell button. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, okay. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Teacher Marifi TV. Thank you for all the supporters and subscribers of this channel. Please continue your support. You will help our advocacy. Today, our lesson is about algebraic expressions, constant, variables, and coefficients. This is for week 3, day 3 of the second quarter. From the most essential learning competency, we have illustrates and differentiates related terms in algebra. An, where n is a positive integer, constants and variables, literal coefficients, and numerical coefficients. Objectives interprets the meaning of a raised to n, where n is a positive integer. Differentiate between constants and variables in a given algebraic expression. Okay, give the answers in a simplest form. Alright, so how are we going to do this? So let's review, no? 2 plus 6, that is 8. Okay, why it's color black? I'll use 8. Use color, different colors so that we can see it. Okay, so we have 8 times 5. So 8 times 5 equals 40. Alright, next. Then we have 5 plus 4 times 3 is 12. So that is 17. Now remember, that is means multiply. The number 3, 3 minus 2 is negative, 3 minus 5 is negative 2 times 4. So just like it, that is 4. So the answer is negative 8. Then 2 times 4 minus 3. So we'll follow the PIMDAS. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 3. That's equals to 5. Okay, next, number 5. So we have 120 over 8 plus 4 is 12. So cancel natin to. 1 and then you add 0. The answer is 10. Okay? Words. Let us review our past lessons. So we have words that lead to addition are sum, more than, increased, plus, altogether. Words that lead to subtraction are decrease, less, difference, minus, how many more. Okay, let's review. Write algebraic expressions for this word and phrases. Of course, 10 more than a number is 10 plus n. A number decreased by 5, so that w minus 5. 6 less than a number, so x minus 6. A number increased by 8, so n plus 8. The sum of a number and 9, so n plus 9. And 4 more than a number is y plus 4. Definitions. Variable. A variable is a letter or symbol that represents a number or a known quantity. Example, n plus n equals 12. So n here is our variable. Next, another definition. So a variable can use any letter of the alphabet. Example, n plus 5, x minus 7, w minus 25. So another definition is algebraic expression. Okay, so a group of numbers, symbols, and variables that express an operation or a series of operations. Example, m plus 8, r minus 3. Okay, definition. The expression 6 or 6 raised to 2, or that means 6 times 6 equals 36. It is read as 6 square, the square of 6, or the second power of 6, where 6 or 6 square is equals to 36. 6 is called the base. So in 6 squared, the base is the number or the quantity raised to a given power or exponent. It is the factor being repeated. Okay? Then 2 is called the exponent. It is the small number written on the upper right-hand corner of a number or quantity, which indicates that the number of times the base is taken as a factor. 36 is the power of 6 squared. Power is the product of the equal factors. It is the product obtained by taking the base as a factor and times on the value of the base raised to the given exponent. Right? The expression 3x means 3 times x, or the product of 3 and x. The number 3 is the numerical coefficient of x, while x is the literal coefficient of 3. In the foregoing illustration, the product consists of a constant and a variable. The constant is the numerical coefficient, and the variable is the literal coefficient. If the numerical coefficient is 1, the numerical coefficient may be omitted. That is, x squared means 1x squared. For each of the following expressions, name the numerical coefficients and the literal coefficients. Number 1, okay, we have 7x. Therefore, okay, what is the literal coefficient here? The literal coefficient is, so let's write literal and numerical. No? So, isa-isay natin. Literal, numerical. So, in 7x, the literal is x, the numerical is 7. So, it's also the constant. No? In negative 3b cubed, the literal is b, the constant is negative 3. Okay, here, in 1/2 y5, the literal is y, and we have the numerical is 1/2. The negative 6 times the quantity x plus y squared. Okay, our literal factors, we have x and, ano ba yan? Ay, x and y. And the numerical is negative 6. Magalong kamay ko. Then 1/3 a cubed. Okay, for 1/3 a cubed, the literal is a. And the numerical is negative 1/3. Okay, name the base and the exponent. Okay, here, what is the base? Okay, so let's have base and E. E stands for exponent. Okay, so the base is 3 and the exponent is 2. Next. Here, the base is negative 6 and the exponent is 5. Here, the base is 7x. The exponent is 3. And here, the base is 5, 8. Okay, wala siyang literal. No? Or the exponent, sorry, the exponent is 4. Tama, wala naman talagang literal kasi we're talking about the base and the exponent. Okay, so we have 4 is the exponent. Number 5, the base is negative d, and the exponent is 5. Okay. Okay, so find the indicative power. 3 cube means, okay, palitan natin ng color. 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5, 25 times 5 equals 125. Next, it means negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9. Then we have, so 1/2. Ang likot ng kamay ko. Ano ba yan? One half. 1/2. 1/2. Okay. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. So 1 over 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Yan. So, i-multiply mo din yung denominator 4 times. So, the product is, or the power is 1 over 16. Number 4. So, we need to multiply negative 5 times. So, negative 5. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. Okay, so let's see what's the answer. Negative times negative positive. Negative times negative positive times negative. So the answer is negative 1. Ganun lang yun. Then we have here negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So we have negative 2 times negative 2 is 4 times negative 2. The answer is negative 8. 6. Okay, so ito, nakalimutan lagyan ng ano. Yeah, ibig sabihin yan, 15 minus 3 raised to 4. So that's 2 raised to 4. So, ibig sabihin, we multiply 4 times. So, 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2, 16. Okay, 16 ang sagot. Next, number 7. So, we have here 4 over 8 minus 3 then square. Okay, paano natin gagawin yan? We know that denominator of 3 is 1. No? So, kunin muna natin yung LCD. 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 4. 4. 8 divided by 1 is 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. That is negative 20 over 4, over 8. So, pwede na yung ganyan yung sagot. Then, is-square natin. Okay. So, we have 20 times 20 is 400. 400 nga ba? Check natin. 20 times 20. Dalawang 0, 1, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Correct, no? 400 over 8 times 8 is 16. Okay? So, paano natin i-reduce sa lowest term? So, divided by 2 equals 200 over 8, or divide 2 ulit, 200 divided by 8 or 100 over 4 or 25. So 25 is the final answer. Okay. Next. Okay, we have here 2/3 plus 2 squared. So, ang denominator ng 2 ay 1. So, the GCF is 3. So, 2 plus, okay, 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 2, 6. Okay. So, 6. Then, 2 plus 6 equals 8 over 3, or 2 and 2/3. Okay, bakit 2 and 2/3? 8 divided by 2 is 3, since 6 lang yon. And then 8 minus 6 equals 2. Okay, number 9. Okay, wala na akong space. So, 7 over 1. Kasi nga, so 10 over 2. Okay, so dito, anong GCF? Of course, 2, no? 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 7, 14. 2 divided by 2 is 2 times, 1 pala, 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 10 is 10. So we have 4 over 2, or 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. Okay, number 10. So wala tayong space of 10. Burahin natin muna to. Para may space tayo sa ating solution. Okay, so number 10, ang given natin sa number 10 is 3 minus 15. Number 10 ito. Over 15 minus 3. And then, minus 3. Naka-square pa siya, no? Or may exponent siyang 2. So, 3 minus 15 is negative 12 over 12 minus 3 squared. So, negative 12 divided by 12 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1, or minus 3 equal squared. So, magiging negative 4 square or 16. So, 16 ang final answer. Alright, question? Anything else? 1. Subscribe. 2. Like. Share. Subscribe. 3. Like. leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. For questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Bye-bye. See you again. This is your teacher, Mario.